Welcome. Today I'll be presenting an Omega 19 caliber with 7 jewels, featuring a nickel-plated movement, celebrated at the 1900 Paris World's Fair, where the brand received the prestigious Grand Prix. Stay with me until the end of the video. I promise you won't regret it. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support the project. Thank you. In 1848, a young Swiss watchmaker named Louis Brandt founded a small workshop in La Chaux-de-Fonds. From there came the very first Omega pocket watches, initially under the name Louis Brandt and Fels. These watches already stood out for one key innovation. They were built with an interchangeable parts system, which revolutionized the way timepieces were assembled and repaired. The model that truly made history arrived in 1894, with the legendary Omega 19 Linea caliber, so innovative and precise that it gave the brand its definitive name.